Hi guys, welcome back to my blog, and today I'm craving for the best siopao here in Cagayan de Oro City. The word siopao was actually a localized term coined after a Chinese dimsum called bao-zi. It was translated as hot bun in Chinese dialect Hokkien. This popular snack is best enjoyed hot right after it's taken out of the steamer. So, where can we find the best siopao here in Cagayan de Oro City? In the Philippines, siopao flavors are usually a toast between asado and bola-bola. Filipino loves asado as well. Those use quality meat with a little fat and delicious fillers. But before that, please like and subscribe to my channel, Architect Studio, and hit the ring bell. So, where can we find the top spot for siopao here in the city of Golden Friendship, Cagayan de Oro City? So, samahan niyo ko. Let's visit V.I.P Hotel and check out the best siopao here in Cagayan de Oro City. V.I.P Hotel is ideally situated at the heart and the center of entertainment and business district of Cagayan de Oro City. When you visit Cagayan de Oro City, a tourist destination in the Philippines, the booming metropolis and home of the friendly Cagayanon, be sure to stay at V.I.P Hotel and check out the best siopao in town. This Cagayan de Oro City Hotel has been in the metro for decades. But not all of us knew the legacy they have started behind their corridor. V.I.P Hotel is owned by the Canoy family. Before the Canoy family decided to make it a hotel, they thought of putting up a hospital on the site with the influence of a doctor in the family. Instead of establishing a hospital, they decided to create a hotel named V.I.P Hotel. And V.I.P siopao was born. The well-known V.I.P siopao was a recipe of a chef. The V.I.P siopao later opened a business opportunity for the family of Canoy Group, which is the Bestbake. The V.I.P siopao is the cult favorite that Cagayanon snacks. For just 35 pesos, you can now experience the best siopao here in Cagayan de Oro City. A V.I.P siopao is a soft dough wrapped itself around a delicious blend of meat, a slice of boiled egg, and a just right combination of spices. The pork asado chunks are bigger than usual, and the dough has a nice chewy texture.
The number you have dialed.
Pasensya na ka ba kung sana umasa na lang ko'y gusto sa imo ipangutana. Kamusta naman ka? Kamusta mong duwa? Malipayon pa ba ka? O basin dili na ara ko dire nagatang na mo balik pa ka? Di mangguring nga nakadali para sa kuha nakalimtan ka. Gusto lang ako na mamasin ba
Their siopao is very fluffy and soft.
bisag na nakasalain ba
V.I.P siopao will satisfy everyone's craving for siopaos.
basta kung unsa man ganito agi lang ko.
V.I.P siopao is a wonderful afternoon treat or snack for your friends and family, and for all the visitors of Cagayan de Oro City. Come and visit Bestbake at V.I.P Hotel. Located at Don Apolinario Vela Street, corner Jerbor Street, Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental, Philippines. And experience the best siopao here in Cagayan de Oro City.
Mukusog ang bundak sa uwan, hantod makainumdum ka na mas lahi ragyod kung ubantang duha. Gusto lang ako na mamasin, basin ako paghihapon, bisag na nakasalain, basin kaya pa na to'y balikan natong kaagi. Basta kung unsa man ganito